beautiful morning.
Big birds.
Stay together.
This place is amazing. It's a baby ostrich. He looks lost. We need to find his family soon.
Let's help him.
Find his mom.
The ranger station is near Red Rock Hill.
Maybe they can help Pip.
We should stay on this road.
What's that? Monkey.
Stay back.
The map keeps moving. How are we going to find his mom now?
Now we're on our own.
Maybe go that way.
I don't think this is right.
I think we're lost.
Let's keep moving slowly and look for signs.
Maybe we can look for clues.
Big bridge. Something is on the bridge.
Wait, those are elephants.
They're huge.
Very huge. They're enjoying the water.
Pip likes them.
We can't cross now. We'll take another road.
Hold on tight.
Can you hold Pip carefully? I got him.
Still sure?
I think so.
Hear that?
That sound is getting closer.
I see dust ahead.
That's not dust.
Everyone, stay low!
That's a whole herd.
Hold tight! I'm turning!
Turn left. Go fast. Stay together. I got Pip.
Look out.
Turn right.
Good call, Nancy.
I can see a gap. Go straight through!
Kids, are you okay?
We're okay. Pip too.
We made it.
Almost clear.
I can't see the road.
Slow and steady.
Where are we now?
Did I take us the wrong way?
You helped us stay safe.
Tall animals.
Those are giraffes.
Their necks are so long.
They can see far.
Maybe they're looking that way.
That looks like Red Rock Hill.
We found it!
The ground looks wet.
I'll go slowly.
Why did we stop?
We're stuck.
We can push together.
I can help. Me too.
Step carefully.
Stay close.
The tire is deep in the mud. Push on 3. Push!
Let's try again.
Pip hears something. I hear running. He found his mom.
You helped bring him home.
Help is here.
I can help. You were very brave.
Family keeps us close. A detour can lead to something good.